guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here, one second, please. Okay. Well, now this is awfully okay. So I'm gonna be showing you guys all of my fidgets. I got okay numbered fidgets. I don't have a lot of fidgets though, but these are my fidgets, so I really want to show you guys them. So yeah, let's get to it. So, oh wait, before we get started in this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications on as soon as you can. Okay, so the first one is this. I feel like it's really okay. So this first one is marble mesh. This is an orange marble and it is a green marble mesh. My friend gave me this one as well as 3 others. So I like to do this with it. It's really fun. So yeah, the marble mesh is one of my favorites. This pea popper is really good actually, and my friend also gave me this one. It's a cute face. And then there's side ones that don't have faces at all, but are just really cute also. So yeah. Then we have a mochi. It's a little bit dirty, but it's a mochi. And I just like to squish around with it. There's a little bit of holes on there, but it's fine. I like to squish this one around. So yeah. So if emojis are your favorite, give this video a humongous like. And next we have this one. Oh, it popped. So it's not one of my squishies anymore, I guess. Sadly, but yeah, this one was really fun to play with while it lasted. The next one is a infinity cube. My parents got me this one. Oh, also I made this one. So my mom got me this one. It's harder to play with one hand, but you can play it with one hand if you want. I really like it though. I'm gonna move my focus up a little bit. And yeah, it's just really fun to play with. The next one is a bike chain without like rubber bands, so they can like come apart, but they can't come apart too hard. Like this is as far as they can all come apart, just this much. So not that far, and it makes like a jingling noise, which I really like. Not loud though at all. So this is perfect. Next one I just found laying around my house. I thought it's a pretty good fidget. It's 2 black circle magnets. I like to play where I make it so like it's hard to make them go together, and then when you make it go together, so I don't want to go together, go together, so it's what I really like. And then the next one is a simple dimple. My mom got me this one as well as the infinity cube and one more to come. Also my dad got me this one, and these were from my dad's, and I made this at my dad's too. So yeah. And the next one is my yellow square thing. This was one of my first ones. Super soft on the bad side, but not the best. bad side I like a lot. And there's one missing one. A boy at my school cut it out. But yeah. Then this next one, also my mom bought me this. The next one my friend bought me. This is the good side. My friend did not buy this for me actually. She gave it to me because she didn't like it. But this is the bad side, it's really bad. And then that is like all my fidgets, as in right now. So I hope you guys have a great day. Speaking of day, today I want more fidgets, and today I set up something with my dad where whenever I'm at my dad's house, I do like 10 chores and then he picks a fidget for me to buy, or I pick one for him to buy, instead of giving me allowance. So but yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Comment what fidgets I should get. I want to get some like squishy balls and stuff, so I'm gonna get some of those. But if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video with friends. Tell them to subscribe and like. And I'll see you guys next time whenever I see you guys again. Probably later today.